In economics, we often go through the terms needs and wants. But have you wondered about their differences? Needs point out the something you must have for survival. On the other hand, wants refer to something which is good to have, but not essential for survival. For the purpose of spending and saving money wisely, every person must know the difference between needs and wants. So now comes a comparison between needs and wants. What is the meaning of the term needs? Need refers to an individual basic requirement that must be fulfilled in order to survive. So, again you come to the point. What is the meaning of the term wants? Wants are described as goods and services which an individual like to have as a part of his caprices. What is the nature of needs? The nature of needs are limited. Now comes what is the nature of wants. The nature of wants are unlimited. What are needs? Needs are something you must have. What are wants? Wants are something you wish to have. Need represents what? It represents necessity. Wants represent what? It represents desire. Is needs essential for survival? Yes, needs are essential for survival. Is wants essential for survival? No, wants are not essential for survival. Do needs change over time? It may remain constant over time. Do wants change over time? It may change over time and it may not change over time. It depends from person to person and time to time. What happens if needs are not fulfillment? It may result in onset of disease or event. What happens if wants are non-fulfillment? It may result in disappointment and nothing more. Definition of needs. By the term needs, we mean those requirements which are extremely necessary for a human being to live a healthy life. They are personal, physiological, cultural, social, etc. that are important for an organism to survive. In ancient times, the three basic needs of man are food, clothing, and shelter. But with the passage of time, education and healthcare also become integral as they improve the quality of life. They are person's first priority as they are the things that they keep us healthy and safe. Therefore, if needs are not satisfied in time, it may result in illness, inability in functioning properly, or even death. Now comes the definition of wants. In economics, wants are defined as something that a person like to possess, either immediately or at a later time. Simply put, wants are the desires that cause business activities to produce such products and services that are demanded by the economy. They are optional, that is, an individual is going to survive even if not satisfied. Further, wants may vary from person to person and time to time. Now there are some key differences between needs and wants. The following points are the noteworthy so far as a difference between needs and so now my point number 1 for the difference between need and wants is as follows. The term needs is defined as an individual's basic requirement that must be fulfilled in order to survive. Wants are described as goods and services which an individual like to have as a part of his caprices. Now comes second point. An individual needs are limited while his wants are unlimited. Something needs are something that you must have in order. On the contrary, wants are something that you wish to have. So as you add comforts in life. Point number 4. Needs represent our necessities while wants indicates desires. Point number 5. Needs are important for the human beings to survive. As against this, wants are not as important as needs because a person can live without wants. Now comes the last point, that is point number 6. Needs are those items that are required for life and does not change with time. As obsessed to, wants are those items that are desired by an individual, either right now or in future. Therefore, wants might change over time and it may vary from person to person. With the above discussion on these two concepts of economics, it concluded that needs and wants are separate forces that compels actions for satisfaction. If needs are not met on time, the survival of a person is at stake, whereas wants are something which a person is carving for. That does not challenge a person's survival if not satisfied. So, needs can be distinguished from wants on the basis of their level of importance. Hence, the distinction is between what is required and what is desired. So, I can hope that after watching my video, you can all understand the basic difference between needs and wants. So, use your comment section below to give your views whether you are agreeing with my point or not. If you disagree, write down the reasons or the points of your views, and if you agree also, write down the points and views of your mind. Thank you, and don't forget to subscribe and press the bell button on to receive more updates. Thank you from the depths of Owen Banerjee.